No parent ever thinks that their child is ugly. In fact, most parents think that their baby is the most adorable baby in the world. I don't think so. So recently, TikTok had a series of pranks called Ugly Baby.
Good. You're on FaceTime. Baby, look at it.
I'm looking at it.
What's wrong?
Looks like a little old man.
Look at my friend baby.
Yeah.
Had a little baby at work.
Okay, I love babies. But I'll be honest, I'm not very fond of newborns. They almost resemble aliens. I guess technically babies are like aliens. It's a new life form, new to the world. And before long, they take over.
She's not trying to take over the TVA, she's trying to take it down.
And I've come to finally take over the city.
I'm almost afraid that if I see a newborn, I might have the same reaction that Kramer did on Seinfeld.
Here he is.
Oh, yeah!
However, I adore toddlers. They're at that right age where they're just little people. You can dress them up, you can play a little rougher with them. They're starting to develop a personality already.
But I have to yell at you guys.
Linda, listen. Linda, listen.
Okay, what?
Like everything they do at this house, you can't trust everything at Grandma's house.
Today's parent takes thousands of photos and pictures of their newborn baby. So I thought, hey, wouldn't it be a great idea if we can take some of those pictures and turn them into a work of art? Imagine making a 3D poster of a picture that you just adore, like this. So parents, why don't we turn the picture that you adore into a beautiful 3D work of art? Make your child a baby supermodel. Okay, so let's get started with this tutorial.
Down my alto saxophone, buck jumping down on a boulevard. I couldn't wait to blow my own horn. It ain't wrong for you to play along, playing this song till you die. Come on, come on. In this world with a lot of problems, all we need is a little love. Thank you, oh you make me thank you for your love. Country boy, and I never put down that pork chop and salt. Then we fell in love on the boulevard. If you was Jenny, I guess I was far. Now it ain't wrong for you to sing along, singing this song till you die. In this world with a lot of problems, all we need is a little love. Thank you, oh you make me thank you for your love.
that's it. Fun crafts, cool art. If you like it, subscribe. If not, that's okay. Let's have some fun.